How you can use your Sony home theater without the remote? In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, you need a phone that has an IR blaster. This helps your phone act like a remote. Not all phones have it, so check your phone first. Phones like Xiaomi, Huawei, and some old Samsung phones usually have it. Now, open the Play Store or App Store. Search for a Sony Universal Remote app. There are lots of free apps. Pick one that has good reviews. After you install the app, open it. Choose the device you want to control. Pick home theater or audio system. Then choose Sony as the brand next. The app will show you different remote styles. Try the first one. If it doesn't work, like if the volume doesn't move, try the next one. Keep testing until one works with your Sony home theater. If your phone doesn't have an IR blaster, this method won't work. You may need a small external IR blaster device to help. And that's it. That's how you can use your Sony home theater without the remote.